In this module, we're going to cover off sampling. Now, sampling has been around for an age, a long time. And when it comes to doing post remediation validation, sampling is one of the methods that is used to evaluate the success of a remediation project. How we're going to do this in this module is we're going to cover off on, firstly, we're going to look at presumptive or indicative testing. That might be something like particle counting, ATP or adenosine triphosphate, even your enzyme type technologies that will come through, and they'll give you a traffic light system or an indicative value, but is not necessarily speaking to a particular organism along those lines, where the next step in this module would be for the forensic or diagnostic type sampling, your culture plates, your spore traps, your surface samples for direct examination under a microscope. We'll also talk about the correlation between the culture type methods and also the direct examination or non-culturable samples. After that, we'll finish off on a more hypothetical or philosophical approach for dealing with your hypothesis and the sampling and how that can be used for that. So that might look at potentially cross-contamination or just contextual sampling inside of the environment to help fill out the hypothesis for which you're sampling for. Then we're going to cover off finally on the different standards and guidelines on there, because there are a few, and then what they say and what they try and suggest for the encouragement to or not to sample in different scenarios. So I'll see you on the other side of this one. Hope you enjoy.